Let's beat the traffic.
नमस्कार
నమస్తే
నమస్కార
వణకం
ఖుషామదీద్
అస్సలాముఅలైకుం
సత్ శ్రీ అకాల్
మీకు అందరికీ వందనములు
జై స్వామినారాయణ
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेंद्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद
मोलाली मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मतलब बोलेंगे नी सब बला बला जान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे माई सेल्फ आलतू बाबा
And of course, myself, Altu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए और drive time. That's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी.
Yes, Bandajan, आज है, you know what, actually, Valturni, we actually called our show as Thieving Tuesdays. It should have been Thuggy Tuesdays.
हाँ, thugs of
Hindustan.
thugs of Hindustan.
Thugs of Balistan, Bandajan.
That is right.
It should be called Thugs of in the Hindustan Tuesdays, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bandajan, if you wonder why we did that.
हिंदुस्तान की हर जगह ठग है.
Oh, it should be Thuggy Tuesdays.
Thuggy Tuesdays.
Not Thuggy Tuesdays.
Yeah, huggy. That's true.
ठगी ट्यूजडे बन जान अगर आपको आपने क्यों बताया ठगी वाला बिकॉज हमारे सबसे बड़ा ठग जो है
हाँ.
बेटा व्हाइट हाउस में बोल रहा है वो ठग गया किसी ने उसको ठग लिया है
हाँ वो सबसे बड़ा ठग है
सबसे बड़ा ठग अपने आप को बड़ा ठग लिया है
हाँ.
लेकिन सच तो बात यह है कि ठग जो है हमें ठग रहा है
हाँ.
एंड
तुम यकीन नहीं मानोगे आलतू बाबा यू नो व्हाट इतना डर लग रहा है मुझे एक्चुअली सडनली अभी एक और कंस्पिरेसी थियरी मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है अभी
ओह माय गॉड फादर तेरे दिमाग ही नहीं पूरे सभी लोगों के दिमाग में चल रहा है बटजान बहुत सारे चोर बाजारी हो रही है बटजान मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ इसको इसीलिए आज का शो है ठगी ट्यूजडेज like for instance I'll tell you what we all are familiar with thugs लेकिन अमेरिका में ठग का कुछ और ही मतलब है फालतू नहीं do you know that
क्या मतलब है आलतू बाबा
thug life बहुत तो ऐसे like you know somebody with a total swag and everything
what
yeah they say thug life yeah thug life oh he's a thug oh my god check it out they have a different they worship for thugs actually seriously when somebody gives a particular response somebody muh tod jawab they say oh what a thug life the thing is right now that kind of stuff but I don't think Thuggy Tuesdays mein we're gonna call out all the people who actually do all these thuggings
yes Altu Baba you know what the thuggy part that's happening अभी मालूम है तेरे को
बोल ना रही
हमारे पेंटागन में कितने लोगों को टॉप ऑफिशियल्स को रिप्लेस कर दिया गया है
ओह माय गॉड
साइलेंटली काम चल रहा है बंजर मार्क एस्पर को फायर कर दिया ओके सेक्रेटरी ऑफ डिफेंस एंड पेंटागन की जो टॉप ऑफिशियल्स हैं उन सभी को ट्रम्प लॉयलिस्ट के साथ रिप्लेस किया जा रहा है
ओह माय गॉड
there's complete chaos there because it's being replaced and oh my god if you know this is the worst nightmare for me I had a nightmare where you know this obviously that there's going to be civil war and that these people are
Fatani, don't worry abhi kya ho raha na he is actually getting all his cronies together and they're trying to make merry right now they're trying to get together and make sure they can actually fight against the Biden administration.
Well, if he doesn't leave, right, the chiefs of staff or whoever, they have to go and ask him to leave, right?
Yeah.
So he's replacing everybody there.
What? He's replaced chiefs of staff also?
What the heck? I just said all the top officials.
But don't worry, Fatma.
So,
whatever happens, I will not let it go in that direction. Don't worry.
You will not let it go.
Of course. Don't worry. Me and of course, Anna ji actually on Facebook are saying that we actually come early today. कभी कभार ऐसा करते हैं ताकि आपके दिमाग में थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग अच्छा इंप्रेशन बना दे. तो पहुंच गए ना on the time पहुंच गए हम लोग आजकल हैं. Anyway, so here you go. आज का Thuggy Tuesday को जो दिन है, we're going to talk about how what kind of thugs are happening around here, Badijan? You know, I'll tell you what, Faltoni. It is not only our what's happening in real life, thugginess, whatever is happening over here, thug's life.
Okay.
But actually, thug is not, we're talking in terms of, you know, gundagardi chalan, that's thuggy life actually, right? And we also talk about thugs who actually, you know, cheat people.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Thugs are cheats, right? They actually
that's
cheat.
true. People who are like, con men.
हाँ चोर लोग होते हैं
हाँ
मतलब चोर से एक लेवल ऊपर होते हैं वो लोग ठग लोग अपने कॉन में
चोर तो जो चोर भी ठगी हैं राइट एवरीबॉडी पिक पॉकेट भी ठग है जो ठगता है
आई एग्री विथ यू एंड आज हम लोग ऐसे ही कुछ थीम को लेके आएंगे आज पर
हाँ
फिल्म्स इंडियन फिल्म्स जहाँ पे
ठग लाइफ को ग्लोरीफाई किया जा रहा है
वेरी ट्रू बहुत अर्ली टाइम से चल रहा है बलजान ठग लाइफ को ग्लोरीफाई किया जा रहा था है राइट तो ताज्जुब की क्या बात है कि हमारा प्रेसिडेंट भी आजकल ठग बन रहा है एग्जैक्टली बोल दे चलो मैं बोल दे मैं राइट आई सेड इट एंड इस इंकलाब में हम साथ में जुड़ेंगे
हाँ.
Of course. And yes, आज हम लोग गाने भी सुनेंगे कुछ ऐसे ही जहाँ पे चोरी वोरी के बारे में बात होती है वनीजत. Yes,
हाँ.
yes. We given a very beautiful word for चोरी, right?
हाँ.
किसी ने मेरा दिल चुरा लिया, किसी ने नैन चुरा लिया, मेरा चैन चुरा लिया, right?
Uh-huh.
All those things. And we are the people who made it very casual.
Yes, exactly. We think that it's okay.
Yeah. हमने
चलो.
चोर बाजारी को सही में वैलिडेट कर दिया कि
And प्यार
happen
से
to life.
गाते हैं इस गाने को.
चोर बाजारी दो नैनों की पहले थी आदत जो हट गई. प्यार की जो तेरी मेरी उम्र आई थी वो कट गई. दुनिया की तो फिक्र कहाँ थी तेरी भी अब चिंता घट गई.
तू भी तू है मैं भी मैं हूँ दुनिया सारी देखो लट गई. तू न जाने मैं ना जानू कैसे सारी बात पलट गई.
घटनी ही थी ये भी घटना घटते घटते लो ये घट गई. हाँ चोर बाजारी दो नैनों की पहले थी आदत जो हट गई. तारीफ तेरी करना तुझे खोने से डरना. हाँ भूल गया अब तुझ पे दिन में 4 दफा मरना. तारीफ तेरी करना तुझे खोने से डरना. हाँ भूल गया अब तुझ पे दिन में 4 दफा मरना.
प्यार कुमारी उतरी सारी बातों की बदली भी छट गई. हमसे मैं पे आई ऐसे मुझको तो मैं रट गई.
एक हुए थे दो से दोनों दोनों की अब राहें बट गई. अब कोई फिक्र नहीं गम का भी जिक्र नहीं. हाँ होता हूँ मैं जिस रास्ते पे आए खुशी वही. आजाद हूँ मैं तुझसे आजाद है तू मुझसे. हाँ जो जी चाहे जैसे चाहे कर ले आज यही.
लाख शर्म की छोटी मोटी जो थी डोरी वो भी कट गई. चौक चौबारे गली मोहल्ले खोल के मैं सारे घूंघट गई.
तू न बदली मैं ना बदला दिल्ली सारी देख बदल गई.
हाँ पर जाए चोर बाजारी को हमने ना कॉमन कर दिया है इसलिए थीव्स जो है ना ऐसे ही बढ़ रहे हैं सोसाइटी में यार.
छी छी
Very,
छी,
very,
ऐसे
very.
क्यों करता है? छी छी छी. That sounds like a lizard.
Lizard?
हाँ.
What?
हाँ.
क्या यार? The lizards go.
I'll do stop. Yuck.
That's what lizards do. My goodness.
Good
Anyway,
evening, good evening, दीपा जी. वो कह रही हैं ठगी ट्यूसडे. दीपक पांडे जी कह रहे हैं गुड इवनिंग बंधुस. हैप्पी ट्यूसडे. गुड इवनिंग आना जी. गुड इवनिंग टू
तेरा काम यही है क्या जो भी फेसबुक पोस्ट करता है उसको पढ़ना ऑन एयर.
अबे
काम वही तो बता दो. मैं पोस्ट कर वहीं पे पोस्ट करूंगा because seems to be reading the script on the Facebook much better than the script I given you.
ओह अभी देखो मेरे को फिर से. अरे वाह कितना बड़ा ठग है.
हाँ?
हाँ seriously. Everything you told me actually to go ahead and actually you know pay attention to what people are writing on Facebook and involve them in the conversation. फिर मेरे को बोलता है यहाँ पे सभी के सामने मेरा पूरा क्या टाइटा फिस कर देता है मेरा इमेज का.
Oh my God, देखा इसका ठग लाइफ देखो बजाद हमें ऑनर ठगती है ये.
Oh?
My goodness. Anyway, Balja, the point is we are going to talk about movies actually glorify thugs in our industry, right? And we'll talk about some of the movies and I'll ask you also whether you guys have seen those movies. Do you know what the thugs are after in the particular movie?
Yeah, that's true actually.
right?
Yeah.
Do you want to start from the ages of Devanand times, or do you want to start from the new ages?
I'll to just start. Doesn't
Eh?
matter. You're the thug expert here.
What? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I see what I
Okay.
did there.
Yeah. Very bad. Wah wah wah. Well, but I'll tell you what. काफी सारे फिल्मों के बात करते हैं जहाँ पे when you talk about thugs, right? Talk about thugs and glorified thugs. Heroes a thug and becomes either becomes a good guy or whatever it is, right?
Not
So,
good guy. It's
Whatever. He gets away with the thuggery.
Yeah.
He gets away with thuggery. People go, oh, so sweet. He got away with thuggery. Whatever it is.
And nobody cares because he's got six-pack abs and then he's got the beautiful girls
Yeah.
and
For
he's got the
instance-
wonderful cars.
For instance, let's talk about the movie which we talked about a couple of days ago. In fact, yesterday we talked about the movie. The Deepika Padukone and Shah Rukh Khan movie.
Huh?
Right?
Who?
Happy New Year.
Ha ha.
Now everybody thinks Happy New Year, ha ha, hoo, yay, everything, right? And they talk about the fact that he has gone to steal something in Dubai.
Yeah.
He actually succeeds.
Right. But
It's a heist movie, Vanajan.
लेकिन आलतू बाबा वो रिवेंज था.
No. Revenge छोड़िए. What was his actual intention? What was he stealing? Let's put it that way. What was he stealing?
What was he trying to steal in Happy New Year? Banjar?
Happy New Year. What are you trying to steal?
वो क्या ठगने
No,
की
I
कोशिश
don't want
कर
to
रहे
hear,
थे?
oh, he was trying to steal his or take away his or earn his self-respect back. No, all that we don't want. We don't talk about revenge. We talk about the material aspect, which is what did he steal?
हाँ.
क्या चोरी किया उसने? शाहरुख खान में
हाँ.
उस फिल्म में शाहरुख खान का किरदार जो है ना शाहरुख खान हिमसेल्फ डूड शाहरुख खान का किरदार जो भी है इन द मूवी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर what did he steal? What is that thing which he steal? They had to put a whole plan which was totally lame. I didn't understand the
What
plot
are they
also.
trying to? Who are they trying to thug? Banujan,
who are
in
trying to
the
thug me?
Hindi thug.
Yeah, but who they are doing? Oh yeah, that also is there, right? Who
Yeah.
are they trying to thug in that?
Yeah.
And what did they take to thug the guy?
Yes.
सोच के यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे 4089122479.
That's right, Banujan. Jaldi jaldi call करिएगा. From the movie Happy New Year, or rather in the movie Happy New Year, the entire plot is about the protagonists of the movie,
Yeah.
like हमारे शाहरुख खान साहब, even Deepika Padukone, even the such a what do you call star-studded star cast, which
Stellar
is
car cast with
Yeah.
Nasiruddin Shah's son.
to whatever. Boman Irani, Abhishek Bachchan, I mean, what a star cast they
And
had.
Nasiruddin Shah's son.
Yeah.
I don't know what his name is. The Shah something like that.
Okay, whatever. I don't know his name either.
Yeah.
So they had all these people, and we are asking you, अरे यार plot के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं तुम लोग क्या seriously?
प्लॉट के बारे में नहीं पूछ रहे हम लोग किसको ठगा उसने and what did he steal?
Yeah.
What was Shah Rukh Khan trying to steal from that particular whatever safe being made by I don't know who? Yeah, my goodness. Anyway, what was that? सोचो यहाँ पे कॉल करो on 4089122479.
That's right, Banujan.
Yeah.
408-912-2479. यहाँ पे कॉल करने का जल्द से जल्द Banujan, because we will be very soon heading into our segment with Prerna Uppal from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation as well today. But before we go into the segment, we do have a few minutes, so please start dialing in 4089122479. Again, 408-912-2479. बाकी उस सेगमेंट में तो ऑफ कोर्स हम बात करेंगे कि जैसे मेन स्ट्रीम खाना और जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं हमारे हेल्थ को कैसे ठग रही हैं. That's another thing that we'll talk about. But right now, मूवी जैसा भी हो, it doesn't matter. दीपा फ़ोन उठा के यहाँ पे कॉल करने का 408-912-2479. आलतू बाबा really? नींद चुराई मैं.
Hey, दीपा के लिए 90s का गाना.
Oh God!
दीपा come on, setting the stage for you. ये भाई चोरी है यार.
मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने ओ चैन चुराया मेरा किसने ओ सनम तूने.
And I'll tell you what the Faltani, why I'm playing this for you and also for Deepa.
Why am I
Both
for
of you,
me?
both of you are going to be happy in this because
Why, man?
Udit Narayan and Kumar Sanu.
मेरे रहने वाली कौन है तू है
नींद चुराई मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने. हाँ, चैन चुराया मेरा किसने ओ सनम तूने.
ओ सनम तूने, हाँ चैन चुराया मेरा किसने ओ सनम तूने, तूने ओ।
क्या मतलब है, क्यों तू आगे पीछे है,
दिल बेचारा इन पैरों के नीचे है।
ओ दिल का भरोसा क्या है, दिल तो काफिर है,
जान मेरी ले, जान भी मेरी हाजिर है।
ओ तेरी किस्मत तेरी चाहत कौन है,
तू है, तू है।
ओ नींद चुराई मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने,
हेलो नमस्कार। ओ माय गुडनेस, व्हाट हैपेंड फाल्तू रानी?
I don't know, Alta Baba.
चैन चुराया मेरा किसने ओ सनम तूने, तूने हाँ।
And लगता है किसी का आइडिया नहीं है हमारे शाहरुख खान क्या चुरा रहे थे उस फिल्म।
आनंद जी कह रही है कि वो जाके पहले फिल्म देखेंगी, उसके बाद कॉल करेंगी।
वेरी गुड। 4 घंटे के बाद आप डेफिनेटली कॉल कीजिएगा क्योंकि आपको देखने में एक ही झटके में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। प्रॉब्ली विल स्टॉप इन सी बिकॉज इतना पकाओ गाना फिल्म है। बट नेवरदलेस अगर आपको मालूम नहीं तो कॉल कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं क्या था। आई गिव यू मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस एंड यू कैन टेल मी, ऑलराइट? नंबर अगेन टू कॉल या 4089122479 408-912-2479।
अगर आपको ठीक तरह से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बंधुजन, मैं आपको बता दूं, ये एक्सपैंड करके 4089122479।
ठीक है, एक्सपैंड कहाँ किया तूने?
मैंने ऐसे किया ना।
ऐसे एक्सपैंड है वो?
मैं 100 बार दिखा दूं मर मर के।
सच सच कहना दिल में तेरे कौन है,
तू है, तू है हाँ।
नींद चुराई मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने,
Deepa's dancing to the song.
हाँ चैन चुराई।
अच्छा ये बात है तो कॉल करो दीपा 4089122479। क्या रे?
It is funny because you said 90s वाला गाना, थकेला गाना में लगा होगा दीपा के लिए।
हाँ बाद में मीनाक्षी जी प्लीज गलत फैमिली में मत रहना आप। मैं बोल रहा था कि आपको कॉल करना पड़ेगा। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फिल्म में शाहरुख खान एक चोरी करते हैं। ही एक्चुअली प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ अ थग, राइट? शाहरुख खान ऐसे परिंट लगा के ऐसे शर्ट के ऐसा ना। बट उसमें फिल्म में क्या चोरी किया उन्होंने? क्या चोरी करने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे थे? क्या चोरी किया?
What were they trying to steal in that particular movie?
Yeah,
What
सोचो।
were they trying to steal? अगर वो याद नहीं है आपको, then at least remember किसको ठगने की कोशिश कर रहे थे वो लोग।
Even that works.
Yeah.
That definitely works फालतू मारा।
क्लियरली, क्योंकि वो ठगने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, क्योंकि वो पूरा जो डांस कंपटीशन का जो बहाना था,
बहाना था? क्या था बहाना? Come on, tell me.
वो लगता है कि वो बहाना ही था।
बहाना? Hello, excuse me, didn't make sense to me. What are you talking about?
Because it's that's the point. The whole movie didn't make any sense.
Exactly. That
So
movie
they
was a
have
Mahathag.
these-
You know, I'll tell you why the movie was a Mahathag, okay? I'll tell you, let me finish.
हमें ठग के गए यहाँ से।
Exactly. You know, the movie itself, right, was a meta thug. I think it should be an award given to Farah Khan because she did a show about thuggery, thugging the entire world.
Yes, exactly.
I'm not kidding. Thug दिया उन्होंने सब लोगों को seriously, I'm not kidding. By the way, I'll tell you why. The movie is about thuggery, right? They actually put on a show of not being actually actors or
Correct.
dancers,
Correct.
and they go take part in the thing by thuggery only. They win the contest also by thuggery, right? And then what they do?
हाँ.
Before they promote the movie, they come here, make us buy pre-tickets of all these things, like expensive tickets for the show, and made the money before the movie even released and flopped.
Exactly, Panjan.
Yeah.
And people were standing outside the convention center for hours
yes.
and hours and hours waiting to get in.
इतिहास गवाह है।
इतिहास गवाह है। अरे इतने सारे लोग हैं जो ठग लाइफ से पैसा बनाए।
Exactly. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठगी ट्यूजडेज में। नमस्कार दीपा जी, कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छी मूड में आ गई दीपा. एक गाना क्या लगा दिया, नींद चुराई में.
उसका फेवरेट था ना इसमें.
ओ सनम,
उसका फेवरेट था ना. 2 फेवरेट थे उनके. 2 फेवरेट थे उनके. एक मिनट 2.
चुराया मेरा.
एक्सक्यूज मी.
ओ सनम.
चुराने की बात नहीं है, गाना लगाया आपका बाय द वे. ये जो उनके फेवरेट 2 लोग हैं ना,
कौन है?
अजय देवगन एंड कुमार सानू.
अरे
उनका
मैंने
फेवरेट
सुने का.
I know that you love Ajay Devgan and Kumar Sanu, correct? सच
Oh
बोलो.
God.
सच कहो. सच बोलो.
फालतू रानी मैंने नहीं बोला. ये आलतू बाबा ऐसे कुछ भी बोलते हैं.
हाँ, मेरा
No,
काम ही
कुछ
ऐसे
भी.
कुछ नहीं बोला, राइट? सीरियसली ना? है? ओके, हाँ.
हाँ.
लेकिन ये
है ना,
बताओ,
है ना,
आज
है ना?
ठगी ट्यूसडे में आप बताओ कि ये हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फिल्म में क्या, व्हाट वर ट्राइंग टू स्टील?
What were they trying to
अरे
steal?
अरे यार वो याद नहीं है, इसीलिए मैंने कॉल नहीं किया था. लेकिन आपने बोला किसको ठग करने की कोशिश करे, दैट आई रिमेम्बर.
वेरी गुड, बताओ.
क्योंकि वो इतना थकेला मूवी था,
हाँ,
उसमें
हाँ.
बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने वो खत्म किया मूवी समहाउ.
करेक्ट, लेकिन खत्म तो किया ना.
हाँ.
वेरी गुड. हाँ, लेकिन बताओ किसको, who was trying to ठगुफाई?
वो बोलती है ना दीपिका, बकवास.
वो
ए,
उस फिल्म
उस
में नहीं
movie
है.
में नहीं है.
अलग, वो दूसरी मूवी में.
वो अलग.
आई नो इट्स इन डिफरेंट
हाँ, लेकिन
मूवी. आई नो
किसको
दैट.
ठगा भाई?
तो
Who
दोनों
were they?
साथ में आए थे. आई मीन वेरी
Who
क्लोज.
were they trying to cheat? They were
What?
trying to cheat a cheater, correct?
Yeah, they are trying to cheat Jackie Shroff.
Jackie Shroff. And you know, they were trying to steal, right? They were trying to steal the gem or whatever, diamond, right? Some diamond is supposed to steal.
हाँ
Yeah,
जी.
yeah, diamond लगता है.
Wow, bakwas. I don't even understand how they even got it out of the whole place.
Huh.
And I've been in Middle East so strong, the security is so strong that nobody can, fly can't move around there.
Huh.
But they sure like everybody goes easily up and down. हाँ.
अरे वहाँ पे तो शाहरुख खान के लिए इजी एक्सेस है ना आलतू.
हाँ, वो तो सही बात है. यार्ड में आ जाएगा. Correct. I agree with you on that one. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's good point.
All right.
नहीं, they do that by इसीलिए they have introduced the plot ना. अभिषेक बच्चन डबल रोल, वो जॉकी श्रॉफ का बेटा और ये दोनों हमशक्ल रहते हैं.
लेकिन वो उस इसमें क्या करते हैं?
उस इसमें क्या करते हैं?
मतलब वहाँ पे क्या करने चाहते
हाँ,
हैं?
वो चेंज करते हैं. वो बेटे को घुमा के उसकी जगह पे ये अपने गैंग का अभिषेक बच्चन को बिठाते हैं.
हाँ.
तो ये मेरे हिसाब से ये अभिषेक बच्चन को देखना मुश्किल है. दो को इंटरेस्ट किया.
Hello,
तो
excuse
flop
me.
होना ही है.
I know why he's saying that because I want. You know why he's saying that, Faltani?
Because you
I
feel
said
like-
I said that Abhishek Bachchan is a good actor, but she won't say something against me. That's all. Okay,
Oh
fine, Deepa.
God.
सुन लिया हमने. चलो, Deepa खुश तो है ना तू? You are happy, Deepa. As long as you are happy, I'm happy.
Okay, so
Yeah.
she said Jackie Shroff is
ऐसे ही
like,
90s के गाने बजाते रहो, मैं बहुत खुश रहूँ.
No, don't worry. बीच में अच्छे गाने भी लगा देते हैं हम लोग. Yeah, don't worry. बंद लोग डर गए थे actually कि क्या करने वाले हो. 90s का no. We'll play 90s also, but we'll definitely play good songs.
हाँ.
Majority good songs we will play, Deepa. Don't worry. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, Deepa. Deepak, thank you for calling. सुनते रहे ना, because we have the next coming up segment right now. Faltani, you want to tell our bandhus what the segment all about?
We have a segment that's coming up with Prerna Uppal of the Palo Alto Medical Foundation, Banija, and how this pandemic has robbed us of our joy, our health, our well-being, and how we can turn that around and take it right back. What we will do is we're going to be going into a segment with Prerna Uppal of the Palo Alto Medical Foundation, part of the Sata Health Group, Banija, जहाँ पे right now they're doing a lot of virtual visits and e-visit appointments, and she will be talking to us कि इस pandemic में अपने आप को कैसे सुस्त रखना चाहिए.
सुस्त,
तंदुरुस्त रखना चाहिए. That's exactly what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how don't let the pandemic rob you or thug you of all the joy and well-being in your life right now.
Correct. Please don't do that. And right now we do have with us, what happened, Faltani?
I'll be right back, Altubaba.
Okay, we do have Prerna with us. Prerna, hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. How are you guys?
Wonderful, Prerna. Thank you so much. Good to see you after a long time. And it is very interesting to hear about the topic today. And do you want to share with our brothers what you're going to talk about today and why you chose this topic today?
Yes, so I was I started this topic last time and wanted to do it in 2 parts. And the topic I chose because there's definitely been an uptick of patients expressing concern about weight gain in recent months since the pandemic started. And we as providers are seeing more people reporting unexpected weight gain during this period. And as I was talking the last time, I just wanted to recap before I jump headlong into lifestyle management. But what I really realized after talking to my patients, it all really came down to mindset, right? So mindset is how we approach a different set of circumstances and conditions which are really out of our control, and how we cope with the environment. And there was a group of patients and people that I sort of came across who threw their hands up in the air and said, oh my God, this is just, I can't do anything else but stay home. And they didn't exercise, they didn't watch their diets, and we'll discuss that later. But then there was a group of patients who had the mindset that, we're going to actually use this period to get a jump start on all the things we've been putting on hold, such as finding more time to exercise, because all of a sudden, there were some, your commute time was reduced for people working from home. So that 40 minutes or 60 minutes that you spent out on the road now give you time to actually spend time preparing your meals or exercising more. So I realized in talking with a lot of my patients, it really came down to the mindset. If we took that positive mindset, the people didn't really gain weight. Otherwise, we saw the unhealthy trend of weight gain.
Wow. And of course, if you're listening to this right now, when you have a question, please do give us a call here. I'm trying to get, I'm sorry, guys. So a little bit of a glitch in our video part of it. Sorry about that. But let me tell you, record. If you want to give us a call here, number to call is 408-912-2479. So, Prerna, quick question. You said people are having, the time to do all these things. But you also mentioned something last week, if you remember, week before last week, actually, when you came on, you talked about something called as a Quarantine 15. Can you, people who missed out on that thing, can you share as to what exactly the Quarantine 15 is, please?
Yes. So, it actually refers to gaining 15 pounds. We just say 15, but of course people can gain more. But Quarantine 15 is very similar to Freshman 15. So when our kids go off to college, we always joke with them and say, watch out for the Freshman 15, because with all the foods available to them in their cafeterias and all the high-calorie drinks and snacks, typically we find that students gain about 15 pounds the first year that they're in college. It's funny because we've also sort of seen that in high-tech companies where there's free food as an option for employees. They do tend to gain weight that first year. Similarly, we had the Quarantine 15 where we saw the same trend, that people just started to gain that weight just in this early start of the pandemic.
And of course, if you have any questions regarding this particular situation, if at all you have been through where you actually found out that you actually are putting on weight and you want to know how it's happening and what you can do to combat this and what you can do to get out of this particular rut which you are right now, because we have almost 238 days of quarantine in January going on, sheltering in place. Many of the people I know actually have stayed home. They have not even busted out of the houses. They actually have ordered the food from the grocery stores. So obviously zero kind of exposure to the outside. It's good. Thank you for doing what you guys are doing, wearing a mask, staying home, and actually keeping the virus away from us. In fact, we're doing much better than many places around the world also, as we know. But at the same time, also, you got to be mindful of the fact that this could also affect our overall well-being, because our lifestyle is changing, and that's exactly what Prerna is talking about. And if you have any questions regarding this, please do give us a call here, 408-912-2479. So I think week before last, when you came in, Prerna, we left out of the point. I was going to ask you a question regarding what could be the downstream effects of this unhealthy trend. Like, what could happen? Is it going to carry forward? Because we still don't know whether the vaccine is out. We still don't know whether it's going to be given to everybody at one time, or because it seems like as well as the outlook is pretty much until next year as well. So, what do you see is going to happen with this kind of a downtrend of our lifestyle keeps continuing the way it is going on? What do you foresee?
Yeah, great question. So, again, we're seeing a lot of patients showing up with metabolic syndrome, for instance, right? Excess fat around their middle, hypertension, high blood sugars, high triglycerides, low HDLs. And so their cholesterol profile has sort of started to look a little, has started to skew downwards. And we need to keep in mind that when we see the metabolic syndrome, we can tell that the patient is at risk for insulin resistance. So they could be heading towards prediabetes, diabetes, or heart disease. And one of the things to remember is that all of these metabolic syndrome markers that I just mentioned, which is the weight gain at the belly and the low HDL and high triglycerides and high blood sugar, they are associated with low-grade body-wide inflammation. So there's a lot of things here that could be happening. There's a lot of downstream effects to our health if we don't sort of put the right lifestyle measures in place. Because who knows for how long this is going to continue. So we need to now really take the bull by the horns and make sure we're not gaining those extra pounds.
So I really liked what you talked about, really not sitting down and taking a positive approach to this. So my next question to you is how could we turn this around to our advantage? I know you meet a lot of people on telehealth and everything, your customers, your clients that you meet on a daily basis. What would you advise? What advice have been giving to your patients also, and what are some generic stuff which you can share? Because I do understand you told me once that everybody is different, so situation-wise it depends on what they got to do. But if you want to give a generic guideline for people to be able to follow to stay healthy or get off that particular hedonic treadmill of what we're looking at, the pandemics, quarantine 15 kind of thing. What can we do? Can you share some thoughts with us, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So, one of the things is, like I said, change that mindset to a more positive attitude. And instead of saying, I don't have time to exercise, factor in the time that you spend on your daily commute and use it towards engaging in exercise. So just be active. And what is an active lifestyle, right? If you can go for a brisk walk, obviously think some of the fitness centers are slowly opening up, but for the most part, the gyms and the rec centers all closed down. So one of the best things at your fingertips was to either do some of these online classes, exercise classes, either on Zoom or YouTube. But I just started to do a brisk walk every day. I just walk for about 4 miles every single day.
Wow, 4 miles.
So, you got to figure out what are you going to do with that extra time that you're not spending on your daily commute. So that's one thing that I'd like the Bandhus to start doing. Another one is that now that you're at home, you do have, again, more time because you're not commuting. Get creative and start making some healthy meals for yourself. And obviously, eating out is not much of an option right now, even though, again, that's opening up. We do know that when you eat out, you're not going to be able to really eat super healthy because fat, sugar, and salt all make food taste good. And you're going to get excess of all of those in meals ordered outside. So get creative, prepare more salads, eat more fish, just a lot of vegetables. Just eat a lot of vegetables while you're ramping up your exercise. So get creative. Just, I know a lot of my patients have been saying they're baking more. I don't really want people to bake more because what are you adding there? Sugar and oils and fats. I want to see my bandhus and patients eating more vegetables and more healthy proteins and carbohydrates and fats.
Very well said. In fact, I will tell you on the Virgin personal account, this quarantine, I have reduced my going and eating outside or ordering food from outside. It actually changes, your whole perspective. Actually, it's very nice. It makes you feel light. It's interesting. I don't know, Faltani, what do you say about it? You always go for
He's also
Uber.
reduced his weight because of the eating outside. That's true, actually.
Well, actually, that's true. It kind of, has helped me in controlling my weight a little bit.
Yeah.
Stop eating outside for sure. That's a very good advice. exercise, by the way, and also eating vegetables. I was just looking at this, Prerna. You're right about it. When you eat vegetables, you're actually going to promote the local farmers who actually went through a very tough time at this time of pandemic and everything. So, but they're doing a wonderful job of trying to keep the supplies going for our supermarkets. And luckily, we have supermarkets. We are in the part of the world where things can be under control with going with the health guidelines and everything. So make use of it, like how she's saying. It's very true. And if at all you have any questions right now as to how you can actually go about changing that or get in the positive mindset, this is the right number to call here. It's 408-912-2479. Number appears on the screen right here, but it's 408-912-2479. You can ask the question directly of Prerna, who's on air with us, joining us via Skype, and we actually are talking to her. You can see her also talking, and she actually is a person who's a nutritionist, yes, but also is I think she also dabbles in Ayurveda and also a yoga practitioner herself. Quick question to you. In terms of physical, yes, you talked about it, and I've heard a lot of accounts. These are all stories from people talking about their lives and everything. This element of mental stress, Prerna, I don't know whether you have seen this in your patients. How could one actually at this particular time, it's such an isolating time, right? Are there anything which you might be able to, give some words of wisdom as to how they can actually deal with that properly?
Especially, yeah. And the reason I was going to ask you this also is because everybody is cooped up, Mia, Bibi, everybody in the same household. And, there's been an increasing number of incidents where people are separating, people are getting into, there have been many domestic disturbances and, things like that. And it's just blown out of, it's like literally, it's hit the, the fan, so to speak. But talk to us a little bit about how do people maintain mental well-being and sanity during this time?
That's a great question. We are definitely seeing a lot of that with our patients as well. Just a lot of stress eating, and people just have higher levels of stress and anxiety, and that causes emotional eating and weight gain. So what do you do for those stress levels? One is exercise, right? Exercise, as we know, is a great stress reliever. It increases the levels of your happy hormones, the endorphins. So that's a great stress reliever. Using spiritual practices at this time, it may be nice for the family to get together and do that, whether it's meditation or chanting, even some deep breathing exercises. I demo that to my patients, and I know we've done that before on your show, but just doing that deep diaphragmatic breathing to make sure that you are really stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. It's when the parasympathetic nervous system is active is when you're going to start seeing the rest and renew and relaxed response in your body. So mindfulness meditation, I know at Palo Alto Medical Foundation, we have mindfulness-based meditation classes. So that would be something that the bandhus could sign up for. Otherwise, there's definitely some apps for guided meditations or deep breathing exercises or pranayam, or like I said, yoga, exercise, just enjoying quality time with your family, right? I mean, recently I saw a movie about a couple months ago called The Social Dilemma. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it really highlights how we are losing that human connection and just focusing on gadgets too much. So maybe use this time of being quarantined at home to connect with your loved ones.
So I just got a Facebook message from a bandhu who wants to remain anonymous. And she says that it is in a during this pandemic, one good thing that has come out of it is that she gets the opportunity to go out for runs, walks, and get a lot more physical exercise in. But she says that things on the emotional front are in complete turmoil, and she has noticed that no matter how much she eats right or how much she is working out, she's basically retaining a belly fat. And she also wants to say that she wants to know, is it time for her to seek medical advice, because she's under a lot of emotional stress and angst, and also is barely getting about 4 hours of sleep a night. So she wants to know, is this something to be worried about, or is it normal? She is in her early 40s.
Okay, this is a great, great question. Thank you for bringing it up so we can discuss it with our bandhus. And it may be something I can really go into the next time we talk. I want to talk about holiday eating as we come towards the end of November, but maybe in early December we can talk a little bit about this. It's very, very important for people to know that just eating well and working out is not your recipe for losing belly fat. There's growing research that suggests that you are missing out on a key part of that puzzle if you do not manage your emotions right, because your emotional state is tied to almost every facet of your overall weight, belly fat, and health. Right? Because there's hormonal changes that come up when we're stressed, and hormones such as cortisol, which are released when we're undergoing stress. Cortisol, just like insulin, is a fat storing hormone. So keep in mind, if our stress is unmanaged, those high levels of cortisol are going to increase fat storage, especially belly fat. So I'm not surprised at all that people see this happen. And we should definitely discuss this more at length, because there's several things I would like to mention on this topic. But in response to her questions, yes, she should definitely seek medical advice, because those extra inches at the belly, not only is it inflammatory fat, and can lead to metabolic syndrome, but she should definitely not start heading towards insulin resistance and a host of other problems, chronic problems.
And I really want to thank the Bandhu for actually sharing the question on the Facebook. Yes, the reason we have Facebook also, Bandhu, because some of you might not want to discuss all your health issues on air. We do understand. Hence, we have this medium where we actually can ask questions first directly. In fact, you can also, we'll forward the questions. If at all we're not able to get the question in, we forward them to the doctor or to Prerna, so they can actually address it in the next show when they come on. And yeah, next time I think it'd be nice if we can talk a little bit about that, Prerna, because I'm getting a lot of people, Bandhus, who actually share with us about the kind of stress they're going through. We think it's work from home is wonderful or not, but no, people actually are experiencing a lot of stress. They feel they're overworked, so they're sitting at home. This is a personal account I'm sharing with you. I don't have any data like research and that, but
it's anecdotal.
Anecdotal data I'm sharing with you as people are sharing about how much of how it is for them right now. It's working from home. It's not at all a good scene. It's not comfortable because they don't sit in those comfortable, ergonomic chairs anymore.
Yeah.
And all those things coming up. So thank you, Prerna, once again for coming on there and sharing with us all these things. We hope to talk to you again next time. And probably we'll have a theme which will be around this mental health, right?
Yeah, let's talk about emotional health and weight. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's see whether we can talk about it next time, or maybe after I've had this segment on holiday eating just before Thanksgiving. Let's do that.
Sounds
thing.
good. Yeah,
And then in December, early December, I will delve deeper into this.
Wonderful. And again, Manjita was Prerna Uppar from Sata Health. And if at all you want to reach out to her, you can always go reach out to the website Sata Health. And you can always send us a message over here on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties.
Or you can reach out to Prerna ji through Dr. Sinha's blog as well, which is southasianhealthsolution.org. She works very closely with Dr. Sinha when they consult with patients. And again, for those of you who are struggling during this pandemic, Vanajan, we do want to let you know that you are not alone. It is a time of physical distancing, yes, but please reach out for help. If you do need to speak to somebody, you're not alone. That's one thing that we want to send this message across. If you're unable and you're not able to bring yourself to write to somebody, write to us anonymously and we can connect you with the right resources if possible. So again, Palo Alto Medical Foundation Sata Health Group is offering e-visits also, and you can definitely schedule an e-visit with Prerna ji or with Dr. Sinha of the Palo Alto Medical Foundation and speak with them about, or any one of their able colleagues in the South Asian program regarding some culturally sensitive issues as well. Thank you, Prerna ji, for joining us. We look forward to talking to you again in a couple of weeks. Till then, have yourselves a really happy, healthy, safe rest of the week.
You too. Thanks.
Thank you. That was Prerna Uppal, nutritionist and wellness coach from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation. Bandujan, and let's tell you that this segment comes on every Tuesday right here on the Pam Pam Show on Radio D Hotties. And if you have questions for them or if you need to get in touch with them, you can always come to facebook.com/Radio D Hotties and send us a message from here, or you can also go to Dr. Sinha's blog, southasianhealthsolution.org. Tuggy Tuesdays will continue in the next hour right after this break.
साहिबान कदरदान मेहरबान दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि अब आपके सामने तशरीफ ला रही हैं आगरा की अजीम फनकारा मलिका हुस्न नूर नजर मोहतरमा मोहिनी।
आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। हमने तो कार में पैम पैम शो ट्यून किया, घर में भी टीवी पे पैम पैम को देख लिया। फेसबुक लाइव को टीवी पे स्ट्रीम किया। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। फालतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। आलतू फालतू व्हाट फन, हम भी बंधु बन गए। महिमा की पैम पैम के हम तो फैन हो गए। डी हॉटीज की रेडियो के सारे बंधु बन गए। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, फालतू फालतू की ये नोक-झोंक हिट हो गई। सिग्नल का जो नहीं ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन। डी हॉटीज की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन। सिग्नल का जो नहीं
ऐप डाउनलोड करके सुन डिहॉडी की मस्ती को मिस न करना बंधुजन, जो आलतू फालतू संग हो फन ही फन बंधुजन। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, आलतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, आलतू फालतू की ये नोक झोंक हिट हो गई। आजकल पैम पैम शो के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, आलतू फालतू की ये जोड़ी दिल को भा गई।
Mahima Creations
proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. Bam Bam! Bye-bye! Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam. खुशामदीद।
सत श्री अकाल।
मी कंदर की वंदनमो।
जय स्वामी नारायण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय जिनेंद्र।
हमारे इस वाली भाई बंधु को बोल दे या अली मदद।
मोर अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंदर को बोलेगा नीसा अम्बला बटजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे, आपके दुलारे, मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा।
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make another Tuesday totally exciting and totally mastani. Despite everything that's going on since last Tuesday when we all went out and voted Bandhujan.
Yeah.
And the past Saturday when Vice President elect Vice President Joe Biden became the President-elect of the United States of America. And आज भी किसी का ठग लाइफ चल रहा है, जहाँ पे जनाब सभी को बोले जा रहे हैं कि उनको ठगा जा रहा है वाइट हाउस में बैठ के, और उनके साथ उनके सारे ठग्स हैं जो ऐसे ही सभी को ठगा के जा रहे हैं. तो today we decided, in the light of all the ठगरी that's going on around us, क्यों ना आज ठग themes के बारे में बात किया जाए, right? The kind of Bollywood movies that glorified ठगरी in the sense where people are conning people, people are stealing from people, people are taking on these big heists, smuggling stuff, those kind of plots. And we're giving you the plot and we're asking you to tell us कि कौन सा movie है, क्या आप पहचान सकते हो?
And the question for you guys, Bajjan, ये गाना जो ठग की बात कर रहे हैं, किसको ठग रहे हैं, एंड आप बताना पड़ेगा कौन है इसमें ठग, कौन ठग गया, मतलब who got ठगोfied in the whole particular song and movie actually. Number to call you 408-912-2479, as in 912-2479. Sorry, I shall Anushka on screen actually, so that's why I went that way. Again, 408-912-2479. Call कीजिएगा अभी के Bajjan and tell me on Thuggy Tuesday, ये कौन से गाने का, कौन से फिल्म का गाना है और इसमें क्या ठग रहे भाई?
बड़ी बड़ी हाके हैं, यूं ही हवा फाके हैं, जेबें भरी खाली है अकले, मुंडियां नु ठगले, ठगले, मुंडियां नु ठगले, ठगले, मुंडियां नु ठगले, 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 मुंडियां नु ठगले, ठगले, मुंडियां नु ठगले, ठगले, मुंडियां नु ठगले, 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 ठगले.
All these things I felt have made it so common people to become thugs in India. Seriously. Hardly in Indian culture, I suppose. It's okay for us. We'll let it slide. So what? Trump is a thug, big deal. So what? Is what we said. We go vote for him also, by the way.
Yeah.
And we support him also blindly. Oh my God, goodness gracious.
देखा? टेक्निक बता रहा है, जितनी घास डालो
पकड़ा दो सर पे चढ़ते
थोड़े इनकी चाले शहर पे बात दे डाले ये मजा मसाले के चकले
मुनिया नु ठगले ठगले मुनिया नु ठगले ठगले मुनिया नु ठगले 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 ठगले
कुड़ियां नु ठगले ठगले कुड़ियां नु ठगले ठगले कुड़ियां नु ठगले 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 ठगले
And number to call your button chance 408912247. नमस्कार, आपका हार्ट स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठगी ट्यूसडेज में. Who's this? Hi.
हाय पैम पैम
मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप?
पैम पैम.
एकदम बढ़िया. आप बताइए आप दोनों कैसे हैं?
मैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ. मैं तो नो टेंशन, लेकिन फालतूड़ी को बहुत टेंशन है कि there will be civil unrest in USA.
Yeah, मुझे बहुत टेंशन है.
I am not worried at all. You know what's going to happen? I'll tell you. If at all that happens, right? First person who's going to be, on our side is going to be Gavin Newsom. He'll say Calexit.
चांस ही नहीं है.
We'll seal the borders of California. फालतूड़ी simple. We'll import Meenakshi ji from Boston. And यहाँ पे आप मंगा लेंगे आपको. आप यहीं पे आ जाओ. No worries. ये नया अमेरिका हो जाएगा यार.
अच्छा.
Of course, फालतूड़ी. I'm waiting for it. If that happens, very well and good. जो भी होगा भले के लिए होगा फालतूड़ी. No worry.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
No, seriously, what's going to happen is that particular portion of the White House will become his territory and rest of America. So he already put a compound on himself.
Yeah, that's true.
He's barricading himself, Faltoni. You notice that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Faltoni! I was just thinking about your conspiracy is right, Faltoni.
Yes, I know I am right, Altu Baba.
You're not right. You're on the left side. People seeing they'll think you're right, of course.
What? Nonsense. Anyway.
अच्छा भाई, let her talk. क्या यार आप मीनाक्षी जी का
विषय से भटका देते हैं.
हाँ, आप always भटका देते हैं मुझको यार.
आलतू हमेशा ऐसा है, क्या करें?
What? Okay, बताओ. आज का ठगी ट्यूसडेज में मैं पूछा कि इस गाना जो है ना, ये गाना कौन से फिल्म का है और इसमें क्या ठगरी चल रही है? What is ठगरी?
ये मूवी का नेम है लेडीज वर्सेस विक्की बहल.
Okay.
क्या और इसमें रणवीर सिंह पहले 3 लड़कियों को ठगता है. मतलब वो बहुत सारे लोगों को ठगता है, लेकिन ये 3 लड़कियां आपस में कांटेक्ट करके एक साथ आ जाती है, जिसमें एक परिणीति चोपड़ा होती है और बाकी 2 के मुझे नाम नहीं पता.
अनुष्का शर्मा.
वो साथ में आके डिसाइड करती है कि अब हम इसको ठगेंगे. तो वो अनुष्का शर्मा को हायर करती है कि वो उसको उल्लू बनाएगी और इससे पैसे ठगेगी.
और क्या होता है?
और क्या होता है फिर?
और उस प्रोसेस में दोनों को प्यार हो जाता है. रणवीर सिंह और अनुष्का शर्मा को.
अनुष्का शर्मा is a thug herself, huh? In this movie? Is she? मैं देखा नहीं फिल्म.
In the movie, I think she is brought in to thugify him.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Yes, हाँ. वो उसे हायर करती है ठगने के लिए.
Oh my God, अनुष्का शर्मा है तो सब लोग ठग जाएंगे ऐसे ही. Very good, very good. So good.
अच्छा, अनुष्का शर्मा के बारे में नहीं सुना था तुमसे आलतू बाबा. इतना सारा बाप रे.
क्या रे?
आजकल सडनली अनुष्का शर्मा को क्यों इतना प्रेज कर रहा है?
क्या आजकल?
वैसे भी अब तो वो खाली नहीं है. वो तो विराट कोहली ले गया.
एक मिनट, आप लोग क्या यार? Hello, excuse me, what is this यार? So when you guys go, let's go or Hithika, do I say anything?
What?
मुझे मालूम है बात रही. तू क्या क्या करती है मुझे मालूम है. अच्छा, by the way, very good. Thank you so much. In fact, you're right about that. They actually are con men in this pretty much. And he actually specializes in conning women and she specializes in conning men.
And then what happens in the end?
They fall in love with each other because they fall into the con, right? Biggest con in the entire world is love, already.
Badmaash dil thag hai bada. Right?
You know what I said there, right?
What did you say? I was thinking of the song.
मैंने मैसेज मार दिया, सटार में मार दिया मैंने अटार.
क्या मारा तूने?
अरे
love is the
प्यार में अच्छे ठग लिए जाते हैं उन्होंने.
मैंने बोला सबसे बड़ा ठग तो प्यार होता है. बोला
नहीं, सबसे बड़ा ठग तो दिल होता है.
कुछ भी
दिल होता है. हाँ बिल्कुल.
से तो प्यार होता है.
हाँ वही तो. ये वो ठग तो दिल है. वो
तो प्यार का सोर्स ही दिल से है.
हाँ exactly.
Very good, very good. I like all the references you guys are doing. Finally agree with what I'm saying. Very good.
Oh, what? We are not agreeing with anything. We are not saying that प्यार is a धोखा. Okay, it's not.
धोखला नहीं, धोखा.
धोखला नहीं. We didn't say that प्यार is a धोखा. Is what?
धोखा, not ढोकला. क्या बोल रही थी फालतू?
आलतू बाबा को हमेशा खाने पीने की बातें सुनेगी.
नहीं सुनेगी. हाँ मुझे कान में ऐसे ही आती है. क्या हो रहा है?
हाँ तो कान साफ किया कर कभी कभार.
कुछ भी फालतू नहीं.
हाँ तो वो कोई बात नहीं आलतू बाबा. दिमाग साफ नहीं है तो क्या करे?
सही बात. दिमाग ही नहीं है तो क्या करे? दिमाग ही नहीं तो क्या करे।
That's
मैं साफ की बात करूँ, दिमाग साफ हो गया मतलब तेरे साथ काम करते करते रात तो इतना मैं दिमाग खाई ना, फालतू नहीं, सच्ची में बोल रहा हूँ।
मैं पूरा भूखी हूँ
अभी क्योंकि खत्म हो गया ना, खाली हो गया ना। अच्छा मीनाक्षी जी, थैंक यू सो मच। Yes, yes, you're right. Oh my God, so sweet of you to call up and take part in this thing. And you're right about this particular thing.
हाँ.
आपको एक गूगली क्वेश्चन देने वाला हूँ।
हाँ बताइए।
एक और फिल्म जहाँ पे रणवीर सिंह जो है ठग हैं।
ठग है उसमें?
हाँ हाँ, एक और फिल्म बताइए। उन्होंने एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन मूवीज किए जहाँ पे एकदम ठग है वो। लेकिन एक और मूवी बताओ जहाँ पे ठग है लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे में प्यार ही उनको धोखा देता है। You know which movie फालतू?
Which movie आलतू बाबा?
प्यार क्या? तो नहीं है।
The message of the particular movie is never bhatkufy from your business. Stick with your business.
अच्छा तो वो तो बैंड बाजा बारात।
No. I know. Don't get confused. He was supposed, he actually a thug of first order, but प्यार उसको धोखा दे देता है। मतलब he actually finally end of the day becomes falls in love, and the whole, you know, he gets caught in the whole process.
Are you talking about Ranveer Singh? Or
Ranveer Singh.
He gets caught.
लेकिन बैंड बाजा बारात में वो ठग थोड़ी ना होता है।
नहीं, बैंड बाजा बारात नहीं है ना बाबा। बैंड बाजा बारात not about thuggery ना। There's one movie where he's 100% thug. मतलब he's a thief of first order. End or a thief है वो।
लुटेरे something.
Very good.
Oh, I haven't seen Lutere.
Very good.
मैंने भी नहीं देखी लेकिन मुझे एकदम क्लिक करा सोनाक्षी सिन्हा और रणवीर सिंह।
लुटेरे में स्टोरी क्या है ना कि he actually he's a thief, right? He's a con man and a thief. They steal all these treasures and everything.
Okay.
Painting, जो मिला ठग लेते हैं, लेकिन लास्ट में क्या होता है? He comes to a place where he falls in love with the lady.
Okay.
And that is a downturn for him.
Oh no.
He ignores his work and he focuses on her because she's sick or whatever.
Huh.
And finally he gets caught.
He gets caught.
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's a moral of the story, फालतू।
अच्छा कि प्यार में कभी
वो
पढ़ना
तीन मूवी करके भी समझ में नहीं आया कि प्यार में नहीं पढ़ना वरना पकड़ा जाऊंगा। बार सेम मूवी करे जा रहे हैं।
अरे यार आप लोग क्या ऐसे सोचते हो? 2-3 मूवीज करके भी समझ में नहीं आया कि ठगना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि कर्मा कम्स बैक फुल सर्कल। क्या तुम लोग सीरियसली क्या चेंज करते हो?
And one more point is you should never mix business with pleasure.
What?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Wait, hello, excuse me. Ladies versus Vicky Bell, what happened? Business pleasure intermingled. He got lost. He lost the whole bargain. Similar Lutera also, he mixed his business and pleasure. And what happened finally?
Oh God.
Exactly. So that's why never mix business and pleasure, but keep it separate. But thank you so much, Meenakshi ji. 100% आपके से हमें कुछ सीख मिली यहाँ पे।
हाँ. तो.
हाँ. बस उतना ही और कुछ नहीं।
बस इतना ही। Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening, Meenakshi ji. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. And of course, Bajan, देखो, we're talking about Thuggy Tuesdays. How Indian cinema is focused on thug, glorified them into that level also.
Right.
Right, Faltwani?
Right. So, Banajan, we are talking about thuggery in the movies, the Bollywood movies that have themes that are based on thugging.
Yeah.
And thugs.
Yeah.
Including thugs of Hindustan.
And how are Indian music also, right? The lyricists and all are given so many things, making it simple to be a thief.
Well,
rather making it like a matter of fact, desensitizing us for the word of thug also, by the way.
Yes, and also like Kudiyanu Thagale. What does it mean that
go ahead and see the girls, go ahead and see the boys, it's fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I'll ask you a question, Marjan. Think of a particular movie where the girl is the thug.
Huh?
She's the con woman.
Oh!
Think about it. Faltwani knows the thing actually. And she's a big con woman. She actually traps them by saying, I'm going to marry you guys. And they totally and goes away. But even there also, she falls in love with them.
There's a few movies like that. There's one more movie. The movie wasn't a hit. But in which she's a 100% con woman. And then she supposedly agrees to marry a guy who falls head over heels in love with her.
You know, Faltwani,
and then the revenge that he takes he finds out that she's a con woman.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's the movie. Okay.
Where he puts a big feast for her.
Yeah.
And he puts a counter con on her. Right? But the whole point is, you know, never mixing business and pleasure. Right?
Yeah.
And of course, when you're actually a big thug, when you fall in love, that particular badmash thuggy dil of yours will make you fall in that particular trap again.
Yeah.
That's the whole message, Bandajan. Which movie is he talking about? Number to call here 408-912-247. Now, chali nahi film, lekin film acha tha. You can watch the movie, it's worthwhile to watch. Isme kaun tha? hint for you guys is she was there in the movie Ladies vs. Vicky Bell.
Oh, she's also there. Yes, yes.
सोचो यहाँ पे कॉल करो 408-912-2479. तब तक ऐसा गाना चलो सुनो जहाँ पे क्या हमारे दिल को थक बोल रहे हो लोग.
हाँ, it's a beautiful song, Manajan. From
Singer. for the movie Singham. अगर सोच रहे कौन है भाई आवाज इसमें, of course श्रेया घोषाल के साथ में बैकग्राउंड में अजय गोगावाले. I never knew this music was actually done by Ajay Gogawale and Ajay Atul. Did you know that? No? This song is supposedly done by Ajay Atul. In fact, the movie itself, Ajay Atul composition.
Wow.
Nice. No wonder we like that song also.
Yeah.
आपका बजा. The song was from the movie Singham. ठगगिरी के बीच में पुलिस वाले को लेके आ गए हम लोग.
जो खुद भी ठग जाता है.
Yeah, of course, yes.
हाँ.
Hey, but the thing is, no, the thug life jo hai, right?
हाँ.
America has got a different reference to it, but I think there's a popular culture, like, you know, so-called the urban dictionary bolte na.
हाँ.
Oh, that thug life has got a positive donation to it. Yeah, the thug life is fighting against colonialism.
Oh, it's almost like you're talking about
Liberation movement, kind of
the Robin Hood version,
types,
is it?
types.
Sort of. Okay.
Well, anyway, we didn't get the answer for the question we asked about a movie where the female was a thug.
The female is a thug.
What is this? Yeah, seriously, our community, right? Seriously, our society should actually start promoting female-oriented movies. I don't understand.
As thugs?
Why not?
Yeah.
Hello, yesterday masala movie, right?
Huh.
Name one masala movie where female is masala person, man.
Yeah, that's true actually.
Yeah. Do we ever see a rowdy, rowdy Roopmati? No, we don't.
Rowdy Roopmati?
Like rowdy, that's what we have. Yeah. Or for instance, Rajkumar ke Rani. No. Why?
Yeah, Rajkumari.
Rajkumari. So what? But my point is, what is the thing we have against women-oriented movies?
Yeah.
Come on, yeah. No, now we already have President, Vice President-elect as Kamala Harris. We should start doing all this stuff. Come on.
Yeah, what? That we should do like women-oriented movies like this.
Why not?
Okay, which are masala movies.
Hello.
Why not? Where a woman goes and beats up on the men.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, Father.
Instead of the hero beating
Correct.
up on the gundas.
Exactly.
Why not have the woman beating up on the gundas?
Gundis.
Gundis.
Whatever.
Gundis?
Yeah.
Oh.
The people like you are there about in the world.
Those are the kind of masala movies you want to watch?
Yes.
What cat fights is it?
Not cat. Oh my God.
I
See,
beat
you're
up.
the biggest
I'm
villain. Biggest
equal
villain.
opportunity gundi.
No. Biggest
I
villain
beat
for
up
women are
everybody.
women only, right? This one over here.
Huh. What?
It's not called cat fight. It's regular fight. When you can have gundas, you can have gundis also, right?
Oh no, gundis, huh? Women will be
Innocent
gundis.
people like me, like, you know, who require saving, you know, the dude in distress.
Oh, so the women will put...
And they'll come on the night. What do you call the people who call female knights? Female knights or what?
I don't know.
Knightess? No. I think a knight is a knight, I suppose.
Night is a night.
Yeah.
Yes.
So whether there's no gender neutral.
Yeah.
Well, no, they never had knights in those days who were female, were they?
I don't care about that, man. It doesn't matter.
Whatever. I want to see more women in movies and
By
more
the way,
Salah
they will
movies.
not come riding a horse for you, okay? It's not possible.
No,
They'll come in a
they
Tesla.
They won't get horses
They'll come
nowadays. Horses not available nowadays, huh?
Yeah, no.
Ah.
You don't need to know horse riding, right? And it's not. It's hard to ride a horse with high heels.
Why would... First and foremost, why high heels?
Okay.
This is one more thing I want to ask people out there. Why do you want to put us... Actually, did you know one thing, Faltu?
Why not?
High heels. Let me tell you one thing.
High heel,
Did you know the history of high heels?
Yeah.
No. No, you don't know history.
No, I don't know
Do you know who introduced high heels?
Women?
No.
Then?
It was a king from France.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he was short
I
and he
remember.
used to wear high heels, and later on it became like a high fashion because, you know, all these people were wearing high heels.
Oh.
Like Napoleon also was short, by the way. He had heels, if you didn't know about that.
Yes, Banishan. Lekin, we asked you about a movie in which there is this heroine and she is not that popular a heroine, but she's acted in a lot of like sort of offbeat movies. This is one of those offbeat movies where she stars opposite another actor who I like. I think he's kind of cute. He's got the boy next door kind of charm, good looks. Now you might be wondering, I've got all the women thinking, who's this guy that I'm talking about?
No, not me, not me.
It's not Ranbir Kapoor because I
did.
think Ranbir Kapoor is very good looking.
Look,
So.
nobody think it Faltu Baba.
No, but this guy is, when he smiles, oh my God, he's got a beautiful
Well, hello,
smile.
please.
Not you.
Not me, please. Don't
Not you.
What? That's what I'm telling you.
Have you
I am
acted
clarifying.
Have you acted in a movie?
No, when you
Have you acted with Karaniti Chopra?
So why don't you say this? The person acting in the movie when he smiles, instead of the people you say smile, automatically will go to my smiley face, man.
Oh God. Anyway, she is a con woman in that movie, and she cons this guy, and how this guy puts a reverse con on her to take revenge. He's actually a decent businessman. And he comes शादी का जो मतलब पक्की करने के लिए रोका होका जो भी होता है, all that stuff is done, and then she takes her and she's पटाक गुम जाती है वो. And then how he chases her down and how he gets his revenge, so to speak.
Okay.
Is what the movie is about.
You know what, Faltani, people will not know the very famous movie, but I'll play a song for you guys. Let's see if we can make out the hint, okay? It's the title song of the movie, so let's see if we can get the hint.
What?
What? Let's see, people can actually pick up.
Let's see. 408-912-2479. ये है आपके लिए स्टूडियो का नंबर बंदजान. We'll see how many of you can actually identify which movie it. Oh God, it's such a clear giveaway बंदजान.
Yeah.
408-912-2479. Call करो because we have a googly question for you.
चांद चाहूं या चकोरा या फलक का टुकड़ा 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 नूर चाहूं ना मैं हूरी ना परीसा मुखड़ा 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 संग संग चले दे संग संग चख ले मीठा मीठा हर सुख हर दुखड़ा उसे ख्वाबों से जगाऊं उसे बाहों में सुलाऊं सर आंखों पे बिठाऊं उसे हाथों से खिलाऊं ताऊ मल दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दावत इश्क है दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावत इश्क है दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया चुन के बुन के कालीन बनाया है तेरे लिए तारों को तोड़ करके तश्तरी में सजाया है तेरे लिए
चांद तारों को क्यों सताया दिल मिलाया है मेरे लिए जाऊं जिधर भी खिल खिल उधर ही धूप निकलती है मेरे लिए
हाय बातें तेरी चाशनी सी मीठी मीठी
हाय हाय बातें ही अदावतें भी मीठी मीठी
तू आए तो भी किसी महफिल में मेरी लज्जतें लौट आए
हसरत पे लज्जत जो है तेरी दावत तो बोलो भला कौन आए
अरे कह दे तू जो सारी देगों को आग दूं दिल की मैं दम भी मैं दे दूं अपना दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दावत इश्क है दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावत इश्क है कबूल तो आजा जाना दावत इश्क है
I don't think anybody can know which movie it is.
अबे
Number to call 408-912-2479. दावत इश्क है. Hello, welcome to Dhagi Tuesdays. Who's this? Hello.
नमस्कार कैंपेन
रंजीत भाटिया जी, कैसा है सर?
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो बताइए सर, आपको पसंद आ रहा है आज का थीम?
Of course.
इतने दिनों
बहुत बढ़िया थीम है. मेरे को कुछ फिल्में याद आ गई पुरानी.
हाँ जी बताइए.
ये गाना तो मेरे ख्याल से बॉबी जासूस का है.
हाँ?
किसका है?
किसका?
बॉबी जासूस.
बॉबी जासूस. क्या हम आपको फोर्स कर सकते हैं आंसर चेंज करने के लिए?
मेरे ख्याल से ये उसमें विद्या बालन थी जो.
नहीं इसमें नहीं है. लेकिन
अच्छा।
आपको एक बड़ा सा हिंट दूंगा. ये सॉन्ग जो है टाइटल सॉन्ग है.
हाँ टाइटल सॉन्ग है.
या फिर दूसरी फिल्म थी वो डॉली की डोली.
सर
टाइटल सॉन्ग है. दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया
दावत इश्क है
टाइटल सॉन्ग है. टाइटल सॉन्ग का मतलब टाइटल पिक्चर का टाइटल गाने में आता है, राइट? तो क्या हो
गया?
हाँ तो नाम क्या था फिल्म का?
दावत इश्क.
अरे वाह, माय गॉड, यू 100% राइट. वेरी गुड सर, यू 100% राइट. ये अच्छी उतनी चली नहीं फिल्म. आई डोंट ब्लेम यू एट ऑल. आदित्य रॉय कपूर और परिणीति चोपड़ा का फिल्म था, जहाँ पे परिणीति चोपड़ा एक्चुअली इज अ ठग.
हाँ
हाँ, and it's a kind of good movie. You can watch it. You can't tolerate her acting, though, the different part. But
वो बहुत मतलब वो बहुत
फिल्मी मतलब एक्टिंग करती थी वो.
कैमरा कॉन्शियस है वो.
इस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म में, of course.
I mean, you know, in all her movies वो थोड़ी ज्यादा ही कैमरा कॉन्शियस है. मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि एक्टिंग कर रही है.
But not in Ricky Bell. She was actually genuine in Ricky Bell.
Yeah, natural acting नहीं है means.
हाँ, exactly. And yes sir, you're 100% right. And आपको तो हमारी तरफ से जिस तरह प्यार मोहब्बत मिल जाएगा automatically.
हाँ. तो ये बॉबी जासूस बोल रहे थे, ये सभी फिल्म है जहाँ पे हीरोइन ठग होती है क्या?
ना,
बॉबी जासूस में नहीं थी वो ठग. वो मेरे ख्याल से वो जासूसी का काम करती है.
करेक्ट. So
बाकी वो फिल्म थी अपना, क्या नाम उसका, वो डॉली की डोली.
हाँ, सोनम कपूर, डॉली की डोली. यस.
हाँ, सोनम कपूर 3 बार शादी करती, 3 लोगों को ठगती है.
यस.
अच्छा.
यस.
और एक बहुत पुरानी मूवी थी विश्वजीत और शर्मिला टैगोर की, ये रात फिर ना आएगी. जिसमें गाना था, मैं शायद तुम्हारे लिए अजनबी हूँ मगर सारे नजारे मुझे जानते हैं.
करेक्ट.
वेरी
गुड. वो उसमें वो एक्चुअल में उसको पुरानी मूर्ति या कुछ भी बन के मिलती है उसको ठगने के लिए, लेकिन वो आखिरी में उससे प्यार करने लग जाती है.
हाँ, प्यार सबसे बड़ा ठग होता है. ठगलों के लिए प्यार ही सबसे बड़ा ठग है. Telling you man, love is the biggest ठग.
मूवी थी वो अपना हीरो मूवी थी जैकी श्रॉफ की.
हाँ, उसमें क्या था?
उसमें वो ठग होता है क्या?
उसको किडनैप करके ले जाता है, फिर उसको पैसों के लिए, लेकिन बाद में उससे लव करने लग जाता है.
ओ देखा, प्यार ही सबसे बड़ा ठग है. I'm telling you, Fatwani, seriously, I'm right about all I'm talking about.
और वो मूवी भी ना जो ठग वाली मूवी है. अरे यार, मैंने हाल ही में देखा वो मूवी.
कौन से हाल में देखा? फिर सिनेमा में देखा?
But I cried in that movie. हाईवे मूवी देखी है आपने रंजीत सिंह साहब?
हाईवे नहीं देखी.
हाईवे में थोड़ी ठग है.
He's a ठग.
वो थोड़ी ठग है.
अरे वो चोरी करते हैं वो गैस स्टेशन से.
वो हीरो ठग, लेकिन हीरोइन थोड़ी ठग है उसमें.
नहीं, उसको ठग लेता है, राइट? मतलब लाइक he's
अरे बाबा,
he kidnaps her.
हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन वो हीरोइन वहाँ पे ठग थोड़ी है, बोला मैंने.
नहीं, वो ठग, लेकिन उसको भी प्यार होता है, मारा जाता है उसके खातिर.
अच्छा, ऐसे बोलना. तो यू सेइंग दैट लव इज डेंजरस फॉर लाइफ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला मैंने. ये सोचना
चाहिए. एक शायर को लाइफ रखे बोल रहा है सब.
गलती करोगे तो गलती का जो एहसास है उसको.
हाँ, प्यार कभी ना करना गलती है, बहुत
उसका जरूर जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी होगा. इट डजंट मैटर कि तुम्हें प्यार हुआ कि नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, प्यार गलती है, मत करो.
हाँ, क्या बोला? मैंने ये नहीं बोला.
तू क्या बोल रही तू? अरे रंजीत साहब है ऑन एयर, तू भी सही में.
सर क्या सर, देखो मैं वो बोल रही हूँ.
प्यार जब होता है ना तो पता भी नहीं लगता.
या एग्जैक्टली, पता कुछ लगता नहीं है.
मैं क्या आप सहमत है आलतू बाबा से कि वो क्या कहते हैं कि प्यार ठग?
वो तो शायर है, कभी सहमत नहीं.
मुझे बोलने देगा आलतू.
हाँ बोल.
तू ना कितना बुल्ली है, बाप रे, ऊपर से बोलता है.
मैं बोली उसने बोली नहीं. हाँ बोलो.
हाँ, तो मैंने क्वेश्चन ये है कि आलतू कह रहा है कि प्यार सबसे बड़ा ठग है.
डेंजरस फॉर लाइफ होता है.
हाँ, बिगेस्ट ठगरी.
प्यार ना करना.
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं. करना नहीं, प्यार कर नहीं सकते, प्यार हो जाता है.
हाँ, एक बार हो गया तो खत्म.
हाँ, तो क्राइम हो गया, बस
खत्म. एक बार हो गया तो खत्म पूरा.
हाँ,
गुस्ताखी हो गई.
अरे तो प्यार गुस्ताखी है?
नहीं, प्यार हो गया, दिल से गुस्ताखी हो गई, और क्या हो गया?
हाँ, दिल सबसे बड़ा ठग है.
आलतू बाबा,
I am so happy about today's topic. पर अजीत साहब, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड कभी कभार हमें भी अपना पेंटिंग्स भेजा करो, यहाँ पे लगा देंगे बैकग्राउंड में. अच्छा लगा.
हाँ जी, हम जरूर.
हाँ,
आपने देखी पेंटिंग्स?
अरे हम सब देखते हैं.
हाँ जी,
हम सब देखते हैं. जो भी है सोशल मीडिया में सब देखते हैं हम लोग. सोशल मीडिया में
नहीं, सोशल मीडिया नहीं, उन्हें व्हाट्सएप.
हाँ, वही तो, वो भी सोशल मीडिया है ना हमारे लिए.
वाह, क्या वंडरफुल पेंटिंग्स. आप कितने टैलेंटेड हो.
हाँ सर.
तो उसकी आप उसको प्रिंट आउट निकाल के पीछे स्टूडियो पे लगा लो.
अरे नहीं, आप हमारे स्पेशल बनाओ.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आके हमारे एक म्यूरल बनाओ. हमारे स्टूडियो का वॉल
साथ में मिलके बनाएंगे हम लोग.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
एंड आपका भजन आपको बोलते हैं कि आज का शो है ठगी ट्यूसडेज. How Indian cinema actually propagated thugs?
Well, here's the thing. There is so much tugging going on.
Yeah.
All around us, Manaja.
Tell me about it.
There are some biggest thugs that are sitting.
Yeah.
And are totally like driving everything that's going on right now. And आज भी अगर यहाँ पे हो रहा है, हमने सोचा चलो ठीक है इसके बारे में बात ही कर लेते हैं ना। बॉलीवुड में भी कितना ग्लोरीफाई किया जा रहा है ठग लाइफ को। इनफैक्ट इफ यू एक्चुअली लुक एट पॉप कल्चर बंधुजन, जो जनरली रैप म्यूजिक होता है, हिप हॉप म्यूजिक होता है, जो भी है, राइट, अ लॉट ऑफ दैट एक्चुअली ग्लोरीफाइज ठग लाइफ, यू नो, जो इतने मतलब it glorifies violence, it glorifies drug abuse, it glorifies thievery, burglary and a lot of that kind of stuff. So you know, some people are of the opinion कि ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, ये you know, it has to change. I think in fact what's his name, that rapper that you like?
I like the rapper.
Yeah, what's it? उसका नाम क्या है रे? Eminem. He changed his singing style, right? He changed it to complete clean.
It was not anything but clean, by the way. He actually talks about the pain, which doesn't talk about the thug life.
Oh.
He talks about how he fought it out and came out of the whole thing.
Oh, how he came out of it now, right? But before that, I think there's some rappers who specifically have now started talking about how it's important to stay clean and how it's important to, like, you know,
more power to them.
Yeah. So वैसे हमारे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी अगर आप देखोगे कि most of the people live out their fantasies through the cinema that comes on the cinema screen.
Yeah, and of course, whenever you're trying to go into thug life, understand that if you fall in love when you're a thug, it's a big problem. एक ऐसा franchise बताओ जो एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन movies बनाई, and talked about the same thing. The best way to trap a thief was through love.
Oh?
Yes, कौन सा franchise है? कॉल कीजिएगा 408912247 पे 4082912247 पे.
There is a movie series, Banajan, that came out, and in every series there is the biggest thug who is one of the biggest heroes who plays an anti-hero. Right? The popularity of that series or that franchise is the fact that next इसमें anti-hero कौन रहेगा, right? So ये जो franchise है ये कौन सी है? वैसे हीरो के माफिक दो लोग हैं उसमें जो जिनको कभी क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता है कि वो हीरो है मूवी के, लेकिन that particular franchise is all about, तो हमेशा प्यार को क्यों बीच में खींच लेता है?
नहीं, मतलब ये वही है सारांश इस फिल्म का, ये होता है कि trap them, you gotta put them in love.
Okay, fine. So, which series are we talking about? The number to call us at the studio 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. हाँ? ये क्या है?
सबसे बड़े चोर होते हैं जो दिल को चुरा के जाते हैं.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, उड़ा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली. पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ, पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ, कैसी ये दिल की लगी.
हाँ, चुरा के दिल तेरा चली मैं चली, मुझे क्या पता कहाँ मैं चली. मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू, मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू, तेरी गली में चली.
ओ चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली,
चाहतों के मेले अभी दिल मेरा धड़कनों से खेले किसी मोड़ पर मैं तुमको पुकारूं बहाना कोई बना तो न लोगे
अगर मैं बता दूं मेरे दिल में क्या है तो मुझसे निगाहें चुरा तो न लोगे अगर बढ़ गई है बेताबियां कहीं मुझसे दामन छुड़ा तो न लोगे
कहता है दिल धड़कते हुए तुम सनम हमारे हम तुम्हारे हुए मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू तेरी गली में चले
ओ चुरा के दिल मेरा
You know, Madhuri, I was thinking about this particular song, right?
Huh.
Both the actors of the song actually now looking much better than what they were at the time.
Yeah, actually.
10,000 times better than what they were at the time.
Because she got work done, and he, of course, has.
He's getting work done.
Maybe he's gotten work done. I don't know.
Well, impossible. For you know, everybody actually is. That's
No,
not fair.
but you know his lifestyle is.
Why can't she be why couldn't she have
she
changed
got
lifestyle?
work done, and it's a no.
Fatrani, why couldn't she have also changed her lifestyle? Why is only a see? That's what I'm telling you. You give a long thing for all men, but women you give them a hard time.
1 minute. Skin lightening.
Huh.
Okay, nose reconstructive surgery, rhinoplasty.
Okay.
What do
Oh,
you
I'm
call-
sorry. I forgot. I'm sorry. No, I totally take it back, Fatrani.
Yeah.
Deepa and Fatrani have got the auditors of all these, plastic surgery of all the heroines of
Why
Indian cinema.
Deepa, man? What happened to suddenly you like pulling Deepa into the thing?
Yesterday, that's what happened, right? You guys both of you like, oh, I know. Yeah, she got this done, that done. So what, man? If she got it done, she got it done.
Oh God, that's.
But actually, give them more credit than that, man. They actually changed the lifestyle. You know
Oh,
that she
really?
actually is a yoga queen, right?
Uh-huh.
She's got yoga videos on everywhere.
I don't care, but before that she got all this work done. Whatever.
The thing is, you guys are like Grape Star Shah kind of type. You could not get
What?
the work done. So go get it done. No, go get the work done. So what? Big
You're
deal.
so bad, Alto Baba.
What?
seriously.
So one way. Okay, anyway, the point was, I asked about a movie franchise,
Huh.
which actually encashes on the fact that there are only thugs there.
Huh.
Right? And every famous hero becomes a thug in the particular movie.
Okay.
And the guys who actually heroes the movie are thugs in other movies.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But,
Okay.
oh, wow.
This is
You're
a
not paying
movie
attention.
franchise which has 1, 2, and 3.
Uh.
And every single time people are wondering not about the heroes, but they're wondering who is the next big hero who's going to play the anti-hero. in it.
Yeah. Who's going to be the thug in the movie?
Yeah, who's going to be the
And
thug?
actually, I'm thinking of one particular guy.
Let's tell you who
In
are
the
people.
whole franchise, right? In 3 franchises, right? There's one hero who played the villain in that, a thug.
Huh?
And that's the only movie where he's played a thug. No other movie he's played a thug. Yeah, heartthrob only.
Gee,
That's the
what?
only movie where he's played a thug.
No.
Yes, no other movie he's played a thug.
He's a thug in the movie. Be quiet. He's a thug in the movie Kites.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Well, actually, he's right.
He
She's
is.
right. Yeah.
He's, yeah. So please, I know my movie.
The person
trivia.
you will lecture on. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, lecture on. Yeah, you're the one. who lectures on.
Let's on.
Yeah.
The person you lecture
So,
on.
Bandajan, in this, let's tell you some of the people who have played thugs in this.
John Abraham.
John Abraham.
Hrithik Roshan. Amir Khan.
बोल दिया सभी.
हाँ बोल दिया.
तेरे को क्यों बोला
People
था?
will not know, Re Baba. They are still wondering, oh my God, who is this person? Which movie is this and all?
Huh, but somehow I don't know how this movie makes money, Bandajan. I have no idea what the movie is about. I've not even seen one single movie of this. But the movie somehow becomes like super duper hit. So we are asking you which movie franchise is it? 408-912-2479. Again 408-912-2479. हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं आपको कॉल करके बताने का कि ये कौन सी मूवी फ्रेंचाइज है जो 3 बार बन चुकी है. Part 1, I mean the movie 1, the movie 2, and then the movie returns. Something like that. तो and हर एक मूवी में वो थीम ट्रैक सेम ही होता है. एंड सबसे बड़े बड़े हीरोज जो A-lister हीरोज कहलाए जाते हैं, वो लोग एंटी हीरो ठग का रोल करते हैं इस मूवी में. So the people were saying, is it going to be Shah Rukh who's going to play the next Thug, or is it going to be Akshay Kumar in the next series? Is there one in the making, Alto Baba? Do you know?
have no idea. Really?
I have no idea. I don't know. I'm asking you.
Oh no, I don't know.
So we'll know when the movie comes out, Bandajan. But right now we're asking you, which is the series? 408-912-2479. So, Alto?
Yes, Faltwani.
What is the next thugging song that you have for us?
I want to ask you, any song which comes to your mind about, about robbery, about chore, about chori? Because that's what most of the Indian songs are about, right?
There is that song, no? There's a... tum 90s mein stuck ho na, Alto?
No, we can come out of 90s. Come on. We can move on further.
ये दीपा और मीनाक्षी जी ये सभी लोग सुन के बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. क्या गाना? चोरी चोरी जब नजरें मिली, वो गाना है, राइट?
तेरे को सुनना है ऐसे बोला? अरे come on, this is job right now.
Please, no, that voice is like artificially sweet, and it's kind of like diabetically sweet, Punjan. I know, that's what I'm saying. I don't like that song so much. But 90s, जो भी 90s के 90 बादशाह हैं, उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा ये गाना. So that's what I'm saying. So this particular song is from this movie called Kareeb, right? Yeah. Another song which is all about chori chori.
हुआ कैसे हुआ ये कब हुआ क्या पता चोरी चोरी जब नजरें मिली, चोरी चोरी फिर नींदें उड़ी, चोरी चोरी ये दिल ने कहा, चोरी में भी है मजा. चोरी चोरी जब नजरें मिली, चोरी चोरी फिर नींदें उड़ी, चोरी चोरी ये दिल ने कहा, चोरी में भी है मजा.
Public service announcement. Faltwani is going to apologize on air.
Why? Well, I didn't know, Meenakshi ji. I thought you and Deepa, both of you enjoy 90s songs.
They enjoy our shows. Because our show plays a variety of stuff, Faltwani.
Yeah, that's true.
We cater to everybody's palate.
That's true.
We play a little bit 90s, but a lot of good songs we play also.
Yeah. So, if you're not a 90s lover, good, Meenakshi ji. I'm glad to hear that. You got good taste.
क्या जाने क्या मिल गया, क्या जाने क्या खो गया, तूने ये क्या कर दिया, मुझको ये क्या हो गया. पलकें झुकी, पलकें उठी, क्या कह दिया, क्या सुना.
अभी आएगा एक एकदम अल्ट्रा स्वीट sweetener voice. It's worse than Chashni. It's like, sweetener mixed with sugar and, a little bit more of brown sugar into it, and then
oh God,
heat it up to make a syrup and it'll become so thick. Coming right now, Baljan. Sanjeevani Honey Miss.
फूलों के ख्वाबों में आकर खुशबू चुरा ले गई, बादल का चल भी आकर पागल हवा ले गई.
फूलों के ख्वाबों में आकर खुशबू चुरा ले गई,
एक फूल से फिर कान में कुछ कहा, छोर छोर जब नजरें मिली, छोर छोर फिर नींदें उड़ी, छोर छोर ये दिल ने कहा, चोरी में भी है मजा।
आरफ का बच्चा, चोरी में भी है मजा दिखा। Padrani, that is why people actually are still doing all these things. चोरी में भी है मजा, big deal, my goodness. चोरी में नहीं है मजा बदजन, किसी का नींद न चुराना, किसी का चैन न चुराना महंगा पड़ जाएगा।
Really?
लुटेरे में क्या हुआ एंड में? पटक।
What?
Like, you know,
वो मर जाता है क्या?
Yeah, you know.
I have not seen the movie. I don't know. You. Thank you for ruining it for me.
Well, she doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I won't tell you the ending. Why should you the ending?
Whatever. Go back.
Go watch the movie anyways.
Oh God.
And Random Budget today's show was all Thuggy Tuesdays, inspired by our biggest T in the White House.
The thug in the
White House.
House.
I mean, it's Trump. People think it differently. Talking about the biggest T as in Trump in the White House. Today's theme is around him as in Thuggy Tuesdays, of course, different issue. The point I'm making is right now we are actually coming to the close of our show and asked you a question about the particular movie which actually focused on the thugs and made heroes, big heroes as thugs. I think it was their way of compensating for what they're not able to do.
That's true.
And the movie, of course, franchise is the most successful franchise in the entire Bollywood, they say.
No.
Yeah, it is the most successful franchise, by the way.
Not Golmaal?
No, not even Golmaal.
Not
the first
Houseful?
It's the first franchise to come into the Indian cinema. That's why I said Abhishek Bachchan is a very good businessman. He's got very good business acumen. The first franchise to start off was Dhoom.
Wow.
Then came all Dawn Wants a Baad Mein Aaya.
So this is Abhishek Bachchan's own production?
Abhishek and that guy, what's his name? That
Uday Chopra.
Both of them are like, you know.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's right. After that Mohabbat flop, he realized that he can't do any more movies after Nikki. He said, okay, fine, let's do it to multiple other heroes. But make them villains instead of making them heroes.
And we'll continue to be heroes. Good, smart strategy.
Yeah, and of course, every time I always see his acting deteriorate. I don't know.
Who's acting deteriorate?
Uday Chopra.
Oh, really?
Uday Chopra, I think first movie was still tolerant. They had less dialogues in it. But later on, they gave more dialogues to him and he made them dance also. His dance is like worse than my dance.
Hey.
What? I dance well? Thank you so much.
Please, anybody's better than Tiger Shroff.
Hello, Tiger Shroff. Come on, yeah.
When I see Uday Chopra dance and I see Tiger Shroff dance,
Uday Chopra is much better.
Yeah, he's better.
Yeah.
Uday Chopra is better.
Tiger Shroff tries to dance. People who actually think he dances, no, he just does gymnastics.
Yeah.
Nobody has told him. It's a sad part. He has very bad company. Tiger Shroff, come on, listen to me. Tell your dad to actually send you over here for some time. I can train you and send you back.
Oh, really?
Why not? What?
Jaggu dada se pangare lene ka.
Bido bolega. Apan bhi lega. Apan no nukkad ka banda yaar. I tell you seriously, we both will gel very well.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. Alright, Patajan, तो अभी वक्त हो चला है हमें निकलने का यहाँ से. So we're going to leave you with this final Gana from that franchise called Dhoom that we were talking about.
In which the Bachchans are there. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan.
Sexy lady on the floor, keep you coming back for more. Sexy lady on the floor.
इसी के साथ बोलने वाले हम लोग गुड नाइट.
शब्बा है.
And a प्यार भरा.
चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल ये